So Mercury is officially retrograde in the sign of Pisces, asking you to pull your head out of your ass, just so you know. Being co-present with Venus, there's a lot of reality checks that are going to be showing up around your relationships. And that's all relationships. So where is the give and take out of balance? Or where are you spending too much money? Where do you have your values that have changed and you don't really want to do the same things anymore? This is also about you not leaning so far into potential and what could be, because with Venus in Pisces, there's no boundaries. It's just like giving and giving. And now we have this moment of recalibration, of containment, where we can say, no, like, this doesn't work right now. This doesn't work for me, because you're part of it. You're part of it. So does this work for you? And if it doesn't, how can you adjust those boundaries? I want you to really be aware that this is all happening in the sign of Pisces, which is the sign of endings. This is bringing us into the new energetic year. So clean shit up and watch the cord cutting if you need to clean up romance.